Unraveling the Mysteries, an introduction to astrology. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, humans have long gazed toward the heavens, seeking guidance, meaning, and perhaps a glimpse into the mysteries of their own existence. This timeless pursuit finds its roots in astrology, an ancient practice that has captivated civilizations throughout history. As we embark on a journey to explore the foundations of astrology, we peel back the layers of time to uncover its origins, philosophical underpinnings, and profound impact on human beliefs and cultures. Origins of astrology. To understand astrology's origins, we must journey back to the cradle of civilization, where ancient peoples looked to the skies with awe and reverence. In Mesopotamia, the fertile crescent between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, the earliest astrological observations were recorded over 4,000 years ago. Here, the Babylonians meticulously tracked the movements of celestial bodies, linking their positions to earthly events and human affairs. Philosophical underpinnings. At the heart of astrology lies a profound belief in the interconnectedness of all things, a cosmic web that binds the heavens to the earth and the macrocosm to the microcosm. Drawing on principles of Hermeticism, Neoplatonism, and Pythagorean mysticism, astrologers saw the celestial bodies as living symbols, reflecting the divine order of the universe. The movements of the planets were thought to influence the ebb and flow of life, shaping the destinies of individuals and nations alike. Shaping human beliefs and cultures. Throughout history, astrology has wielded a powerful influence on human beliefs, cultures, and civilizations. In ancient Egypt, the pharaohs consulted astrologers to divine the will of the gods and ensure the prosperity of their kingdoms. In ancient Greece, philosophers like Plato and Aristotle grappled with the philosophical implications of astrology, debating its validity and exploring its potential to reveal the secrets of the cosmos. As empire rose and fell, astrology continued to evolve, adapting to the cultural currents of each era. In medieval Europe, astrologers served as advisors to kings and nobles, casting horoscopes to guide political decisions and predict the outcome of battles. During the Renaissance, scholars like Johannes Kepler and Galileo Galilei pushed the boundaries of astrology and astronomy, seeking to unravel the celestial mechanics that governed the heavens. Looking to the stars, today, astrology remains a vibrant and dynamic field of study, attracting seekers from all walks of life who are drawn to its promise of insight, guidance, and self-discovery. From personalized horoscopes and birth charts to astrological counseling and forecasting, astrology continues to shape our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. As we journey deeper into the realms of astrology, we will explore its intricate systems of symbolism, its methods of chart interpretation, and its profound implications for our lives and the cosmos. Join me as we unravel the mysteries of the stars and embark on a quest for wisdom, insight, and understanding in the boundless expanse of the universe. In the words of the ancient astrologer Ptolemy, the stars incline, but do not compel. As we navigate the celestial currents of astrology, let us remember that we are the captains of our own destinies, charting our course through the cosmos with courage, curiosity, and an open heart. May the stars guide you on your journey of self-discovery and illumination.